Whoa. Whoa. Hey girl. Hello, you guys. Hey, it's me. It's been a little bit of time. But, ma'am, the window's open and these birds don't know how to act, so sorry. What is going on? Hey you guys, it's Peace. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How's your day going? How is life going? Have you done half of, how is your halfway, a quarter of the year New Year's resolutions going? Like how, okay, that was deep, triggered. About me, I'm going through it. I'm going through a lot of things. I'm going through it. I am going through. I'm spiraling, struggling slowly, but I'm getting out of that. One of the ways I help myself get out of it is by filming videos I love. Today's video is another fashion video, and I'm gonna try my best to make this more frequent on my channel because I really love fashion. I want this to be a fashion channel. Today I'm going to be decluttering and basically switching and swapping out a lot of my winter items into my summer and spring. As you guys saw in the beginning clips, I have a lot of long sleeves. Let me see if I can shift. Alright, so boom. So basically, this is my closet. I just saw in the beginning clip. I don't have like a traditional closet. I keep all my clothes on a rack, and I don't have a dresser right now, so I'm keeping all my stuff, like my bottoms and stuff, and underwear and pajamas and t-shirts in this container system from like Walmart. But these are my hung clothes, and as you see, I have a lot of sweaters, a lot of long sleeves, a lot of turtlenecks. Like girl, the turtleneck age in my closet is beyond measure. I have so many turtlenecks. Of course I have one in white, of course I have one in black, of course I have one in navy blue, of course I have a turtleneck in baby pink. Why do I have so many turtlenecks? Because it's a staple and I look good in turtlenecks. Honestly, I didn't wear those turtlenecks that much this winter. I don't know why. I think it's because I didn't really do much and go out anywhere. I just have to find somewhere to go then. I'm gonna just have to find somewhere to be so I can look cute, because I only have certain occasions without like traveling outside the state where I look cute and it's not fair. I'm rambling, but anyway, you guys, this is my outfit. So what we're gonna be doing, we're basically going to, the decluttering part, going through, does it spark joy, Marie Kondo, even though I've never seen the Netflix show, I just heard about it through YouTube. Some items I definitely am just gonna keep and just put in my storage for next winter, but a lot of items, and honestly my closet used to be way worse. It used to be 2 of these, the other one's over there and it's like in storage. I used to have 2 full racks of clothes and I didn't wear half of them, and I just had them color coordinated in my room just for the aesthetic, and it was so unnecessary. So I got myself down to 1 rack, even though this rack is larger than the standard rack that you would get when I move out my apartment. I'm gonna have to downsize a bit more. One thing I heard through the interwebs, and something I'm guessing that Marie Kondo said, is like once you take something away, you replace it if it's something that you really like. If you have these pair of jeans and they don't strike joy, or they are just not it, they don't fit well for you, they're not hitting like they should be hitting, but you're like, no, I need a pair of jeans like this. That's the reason why I kept it. I need a pair of blue jeans, high-waisted jeans, mom jeans, black mom jeans. Like I need this certain pair of jeans, I need this certain pair of chinos. Go out, set aside the investment. If you want to make that investment, you can make an investment and buy a piece that will last long, or you can just go ahead and get something cuter and that you'll wear more often. Simple as that. I would have done this anyway without filming, but I decided to film, and I've done this, like I said, this used to be 2 racks, so I've done this like a good 3 or 4 times. Have yet to put all these things on Depop, but in this video I'll put out the link down below to my Depop, so all the items that I'm going to be selling, you guys can go ahead and check them out and pick your pick. Yeah, I want to get my Depop up and running. I had it, but I haven't really posted much because I overthink everything and we're tired of that. So let's get started. First, we're starting from this end. My closet isn't really organized. I kind of just cleaned my room, so I was like putting more stuff on the rack. And I want to say that this is not all my clothes. I think it is. I do have some things in laundry. The other clothes I have is just like black clothes for work. Let's start over here. Basically, I'm looking at a lot of heavy long sleeve thick sweater coats and all that jazz. I'm so scared. This is so weird. There's gonna be so many things like I'm pulling out. The thing that sticks out to me already is red. In my last thrift haul, you guys know how I felt about red. Red is just not my color. I feel like it washes me out. I barely wear red lipstick because I just feel like red, personally for me, is not my color. But I know a lot of people that do like red, so the first thing I'm gonna be pulling out is this red sweater, this red crew neck, North Carolina State University. I thrifted it Someone in the comments of my last thrift haul told me that this is the sweater. It's such a nice sweater. I wish I would have gotten a white one. I was just like, okay, I'm tired of buying white stuff. I have a hoodie that's white. I don't know where it is. I have more clothes than this. Where are my whites? I put all my whites together. Okay, now I'm scared. Now I'm sad. This red crew neck, I am just going to have to, you know, sell her. Like, it's really, really cool. Of course, like, the prices are gonna be really good. I'm not gonna try to max y'all, but this is such a cute crew neck, but it's just not my style. Honestly, I wish I could wear it. I would wear it better cropped, but I just don't want to ruin it. Somebody else can do what they want with this, and it's oversized. I love oversized stuff, so a lot of things in this video are gonna be oversized. This would have been put away if I was keeping it, but I am selling it on Depop. Link down below. And now I'm sad because we're coming to my crew neck. This is Monica Style Muses merch. Don't be regular, don't be regular. I really wanted to get the blue one, but I was like, this one is more my aesthetic. Colors, I don't know about colors. We learned about colors. I used to always wear colors, but honestly, I do enjoy this, but I know in the spring and summer, I'm just not about to be putting this on. Like, that's a lot. Like, you're asking for too much. Like, it's really hot already. I don't know how people in LA be wearing hoodies and sweats. Like, I will be wearing a cardigan and only a cardigan because I can take it off fully. Like, this is a shirt. I have to do a lot to take this off. I'm gonna be sweating even before my thought is over that I'm hot. So this is going into my winter 2019 pile. Do y'all put honey in your cereal? I be putting honey in my cereal, especially if it's honey bunches of oats or honey nut Cheerios. I put honey in my cereal. Honey slaps. So I don't usually wear off the shoulder tops. I don't usually wear like things that show my chest at all. This is like the first time I've worn this shirt in the longest time. I was so afraid to wear this because like my parents are really, really conservative. My parents are really, really traditional. It's just a lot. Even though I don't have big breastically, this is still a lot for them. One of the reasons why I want to move out, I'm about to be 21. Like, we can't be doing this anymore. I want to keep this. I wish I got this in another color so I could wear it in more in the summertime, in the spring, but this green color is very, very cute. The only thing, I wish I got another color because this is an autumn color and I couldn't really wear it in the autumn because it was freezing. So I'm going to try to style it, maybe add some yellows and some beiges to see what we get, but I still have yet to style it. But I'm keeping it because I just bought it and I think it's really cute. I can wear more off the shoulder tops and crop tops. I have had her for the longest time. I haven't worn her because I simply just haven't found what I want to wear with her yet. These are the one of the things, like, if you haven't worn it in like the last couple years or even like the last couple months, you would definitely sell it. So it sounds like there's about to be hella geese poop outside. But I really love this. This is from Forever 21. It fits so nice. I want to get a nice pair overall so I could wear with this and like have a little look, a little disco look. But I love wearing this when I have my natural hair out. I really want to wear this. Like, I had this for too long to not wear it. So I'm keeping it. And I know this doesn't sound like the whole Marie Kondo decluttering thing, but I promise it's gonna be smaller. Okay, I promise. Trust me, it was a lot. Like I said, it was 2 racks of clothes and now it's 1, so that's half of it gone. I think I did a good job. The next one is, I really feel like everything I really like. I'm annoying. This is cute. I feel like I'm gonna end up buying more crew necks because I've been eyeballing some crew necks from Mix. I love crew necks. I wish I had more. I want to get more. This was supposed to be oversized, but I got this from Shein, I believe. It's a babe sweatshirt. It's not the best with the quality, but I haven't got B2Bs on it yet, and I don't plan to, and I do not want to. So honestly, I don't wear this that often because it's such a cheap material and I don't want to get B2Bs on it, but it's a really, really cute top. It's not as thick as a sweater would be, but it's definitely on the thicker side. Honestly, I don't know. I feel like I would be giving mad fall vibes if I wear this, and I'm trying to, you know, look more summery and springy in my videos, so I'm gonna put this over there. I might regret it. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna regret it. Okay. This, we talked about her. I told y'all she was giving me BTS Jimin vibes, like the turtlenecks, the red and white. BTS, they don't really wear stripes, or Jimin doesn't wear really stripes like this anymore. He used to wear it like more like in the Fire era, but It still gives me vibe and I loved it. This was from like a very old thrift haul and it's so cute, so fun and fresh, but red is just not the color, guys. I'm selling her. This has a very interesting story, you guys. Okay, I haven't worn this that often. I did wear it in one of my videos, one of my more. This is from Dress Barn, but I'm pretty sure it was Dress Barn from like the 80s or 90s because this is so old-fashioned. It is so freaking cute. The thing I really love it, let me try this on, because it's not the most form-fitted and I kind of wish it was cropped, and it has like these old lady, you know, collar. I wish there was a different way I can style it. I really think I will crop it and just redo the hem because it sits pretty long. It goes like past my mom jeans, like it goes past like on like my upper thigh, but this gets on my nerves. Maybe I'll like make it a little pale, I don't know. I really want to flip this into like a really cute jacket, but I don't know, you guys. And my style changes. I feel like my new elements of my style come to life every year, so I don't want to give up on her yet. This is another thing. I want to sell this on Depop. I actually bought this, sell this on Depop, but then I was like, this is mad cute. I'm keeping her. And I said what I said, I meant what I said, and I said what I meant, so I'm keeping her. Oh, weird. Okay, of course I'm gonna keep my knit. I haven't worn this that many times though. And that is my fault. I have to keep her though. She has the really cute bell sleeves, but really super cute. It's a thick knit material. It's gonna keep me warm. It's cropped, so it's not gonna keep me too hot. Like, it hits all my indecisive Sagittarius, Sun, Gemini, Moon spots. Okay, now we come to her. I have not come to the realization what I want to do with her yet, because I don't really wear plaid. I don't wear plaid, but then my Cake on outfit is plaid, and we're gonna get to that. I don't really wear plaid, but I really like the look of this plaid. It's an orange plaid, and you don't really see orange plaid that often. You see just like mostly reds and grays and dark blues, so I feel like this is really interesting. Obviously it's thrifted, it's in very good condition, it's an actual flannel, it will keep you very warm, but I just don't wear plaid. Like, it will look super cute and trendy, so I don't know yet, but I'm gonna put it in the sell because I know every time I look at this I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so nice, but will I wear it though? You know, it's cute, but this blue jeans basic top flannel is not really my style. Kind of a little bit more extra than that. This is another plaid piece. This is a two-piece set from Doll's Kill. It's never been worn. I actually was gonna wear this to Cake On. It has a skirt cropped blazer. I don't like it. It's too big. I would have worn it. I would have looked so cute, but they're out of the size small, and if they probably are in, I would probably just go with another outfit because I would have no one to match this anyway. I wanted my friend to get it, but she did look really cute on her, but she just didn't have the money at the time. Let me know if you guys want me to sell it together or apart. This I'm definitely gonna keep. Super cute, fun and fresh. It's a lacy Magacy. I don't know when I will wear it without something underneath. I don't know when I'll be that brave, but it's super cute. And of course I'm gonna keep it, like, bro. I forgot this is gonna be things in here that I just haven't worn. I'm selling this. I have not found a place to wear this. My boobs are small and the straps are too long, and I think I got the wrong size. It's a medium. It's from Forever 21. It's a really nice quality dress. I don't know why, like, all the Forever 21 stuff I have is really good quality. I think I'm just a good shopper. But it's really nice quality, ribbed. A bodycon dress, super cute. If it was a size smaller, this would be my dress, but it's not. I have to get rid of this. This is thrifted. This is an item I've had for a long time. It's really cool. It's a, you know, it's just like a silky top. This one's part is white, this part is black, and if you put it inside out, this part is, and this is a beige. I think it's a really cool shirt. You can wear it inside out, it's all that, but I've gotten enough warms out of her. I love this dress. I love wrap dresses. I wish they didn't have polka dots because I'm not really into polka dots, but I love this dress, so we're just gonna keep it. Very cute, from Boohoo. Okay, this is another bodysuit. I wanted to get more bodysuits because I'm just lazy and I like mom jeans, but now that I come to think about it, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and I don't know if I'm ready for it, but I'm gonna try. This is one of my old ballet leotards. I don't think I will ever fit this properly again, and well, this is a dancing shirt. Actually, my friend Arluzia gave this to me in high school because I was auditioning for AMDA and I didn't have a leotard. How nice is that? How nice is that? Arlie, if you see this, just know I still have this. Like, let me show you what it looks like. This is what my bed looks like. Of course it would look like this. Now I'm going, like I said before, let me take away my bowl of cereal so you guys don't judge me. Like I said before, we're gonna go ahead over to where my makeup is and take everything off and go inside. Also, look how freaking much we decluttered. The sun is setting, so I don't have that good of lighting anymore, but you can see my BTS and Got 7 posters and my fan side and all that stuff and all my Lomo photo cards. Oh my gosh, you couldn't even see it. I'm not purposely hiding my K-pop wall. I just needed a white wall to film videos. Okay, so hi, this is the amount of clothes that are for my spring summer. You have the Tommy shorts, the infamous Tommy shorts that I wanted that were in that first lookbook. We're just gonna go ahead, add that to my closet, and I'm so excited.
Trying to get the shit off my Nikes, dirt off my white tee, worry off my psyche. The curb likes to spite me, the earth likes to bite me and turn me, despite the nerve of those unlikely to serve a purpose like me. I'm only doing good like I should, well I'm trying, and failure is a must for the trust that I'm finding. But failure likes to bust back and cuss at, because lack of us packed with unwrapped lust that we're hiding. If we lust for trust like Andre told us, is it sinning? If we fuck with what was adjusted, then are we winning? Even if we lose ourselves when the moment's beginning, and find what we were looking for when the motion is ending. Emotion is bending time space, holding on to a light force. Souls are going to migrate, cutting ties with a light sword. The thought is causing a migraine and psych ward in my right brain, but I found my Lord. I'd like to tell the universe, thank you for having me. You thought that it was you at first, breathing in agony, but if you just relax a bit, you'll lose your mortality, and you can come after me. Yeah, you can come after me. I'd like to tell the universe, thank you for having me. You thought that it was you at first, breathing in agony, but if you just relax a bit, you'll lose your mortality, and you could come after me. So please come after me, please come after me.